Welcome to Insight Builder channel. Targeted text editing on Windsurf IDE. Windsurf IDE, this is the IDE that is open on targeted editing folder. The prompt provide me a text document with 10 numbers ranging from 1000 to 10,000 is arranged horizontally, and the file name is numbers.txt. I'm using Cascade base model, and it is using the write to file tool, and it is updating the file here. It has created the numbers. I'm going to accept. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit a couple of numbers. I want to remove the numbers above 5,000 in the line 1. So I'm giving it this example, giving this prompt to the model, and you can see that the numbers above 5,000 is trying to be removed. But once I accept it, you will see that 5678 is still available. So I can still ask the number 5678 is still above 5,000. This is one of the challenges that you will be facing when you are working with the models, but you have to be a little more patient with it.